Imagine standing at the edge of a precipice. The wind whips around you, the drop is steep, and the view breathtaking. But here's the question. Do you step back, safe but unchanged? Or do you leap, risking the fall but potentially soaring to new heights? This is the essence of risk-taking. Although it may seem scary, embracing risk can lead to a plethora of benefits. Today we'll delve into the top 10 benefits of taking risks. Firstly, taking risks propels you out of your comfort zone. It's easy to stick to the familiar, but stepping into the unknown fosters growth and self-improvement. You challenge yourself, learn new skills, and discover strengths you never knew you had. Secondly, risk-taking can lead to greater creativity. When put in unfamiliar situations, the mind must think in new and innovative ways. This creativity can be a game changer, whether in personal projects or in the professional world. Thirdly, taking risks can open up new opportunities. You never know what doors might open when you dare to step off the beaten path. This could be the start of a new career, a life-changing relationship, or even a revolutionary business idea. The fourth benefit is resilience. When you take risks, not everything will go according to plan. But every setback is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and bounce back stronger. This resilience will serve you well in all areas of life. The fifth benefit is the potential for great rewards. As the saying goes, no risk, no reward. Whether it's the satisfaction of a job well done, the thrill of an adventure, or the financial gain of a successful investment, the rewards of risk-taking can be substantial. Next, taking risks can lead to self-discovery. You learn about your passions, your values, and your limits. This self-awareness is invaluable, helping you live a more authentic and fulfilling life. Seventh, risk-taking can increase your confidence. Every risk you take, whether it ends in success or failure, proves that you have the courage to chase your dreams. Eighth, taking risks keeps life exciting and prevents stagnation. It adds a dash of adventure and unpredictability, making life a thrilling journey rather than a predictable routine. The ninth benefit is that risk-taking encourages leadership. When you take risks, you take responsibility. You make decisions, face consequences, and lead the way for others to follow. Finally, the 10th benefit of taking risks is that it cultivates a growth mindset. You start to see challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities for learning and improvement. In summary, taking risks pushes you out of your comfort zone, stimulates creativity, opens up opportunities, builds resilience, offers great rewards, leads to self-discovery, boosts confidence, adds excitement to life, encourages leadership, and cultivates a growth mindset. The path of risk-taking is not always easy, but the benefits are manifold. Each risk you take is a step towards becoming the best version of yourself. So next time you stand at that precipice, remember, the view is great, but the journey to the top is even better.